Hey everybody, this is Brian and this is the Apple Bias. I am joined today by my son
Lincoln.
And today we're going to be kind of going through and talking about the RhinoShield CrashGuard for the Apple Watch. Specifically the Apple Watch SE, because that's the one my son has, and we picked up a few for him so he can kind of customize it a little bit more. So overall, what do you think about it so far?
What I really like about it is I really wanted the Series 6 for the red because red's my favorite color. You have so many different types of colors that you can do, and then you have the rim that can make it not just one color.
So have you ever dropped your watch with it on there? Just asking. Hey, it's your watch. You paid for it.
3 times.
Holy cow, 3 times? He does have Apple Care as well. But
he doesn't let me buy anything from Apple without Apple Care. It's a true fact. He's like, you have to buy Apple Care. You cannot do that. That's not possible.
I don't sound like that.
Okay, you don't, but...
but yes, I do make him buy Apple Care. He has the Apple Watch, and then he also has his iPhone. Both are Apple Care protected because he's a kid, and the likelihood of him breaking it is very high.
Like probably 100.
100%, yeah. Very,
90%,
very true.
90%.
I did not know he dropped this thing 3 times so far. No, I figured he had.
Put it on really quickly before he could notice it.
Luckily, the RhinoShield has protected it and kept it safe. So it's doing its job, so that's awesome. And like he said, he loves the color options. He switches them out all the time. He also loves the fact that with the CrashGuard on, it does make his watch a little wider. So he has been known to steal my watch bands because I have the 44 millimeter and his is the 42. And with the wideness that it adds, you can't tell that the watch band is actually sticking out of the watch on the side. So he's a big fan of that as well, I know. Now the RhinoShield the one that he has doesn't have a screen protector on it either. He has the aluminum watch, and that one does not have the sapphire screen. I always buy the steel models for myself because it has that sapphire screen and it's a lot harder to scratch. This CrashGuard does give it like a lip over top, which does help from anything hitting it roughly. But if anything pointy comes at it, it's gonna hit it and could scratch it.
I love customizing it, and the one I'm using now is with the Black Unity band with the red bigger part with the green rim and the Black Unity.
It looks cool.
It's my favorite.
And then also the white, as a previous ceramic watch owner, it's not exact, but it does from afar.
Really nice.
It could kind of look like it. The options are cool. I'd be very tempted to get them for myself as well. If I didn't have the stainless steel watch, I would pick some of these up just for protection alone. Overall, highly recommend these, especially for your kids, or if you're out there and you're a little more worried about your watch and harming it. The CrashGuard works great and keeps it safe. So what are some of your favorite combos?
The white bigger part with the red rim, the black with the red rim, the red with the black rim, and that's really all. I'm obsessed with red. Red's my favorite color, so red's used a lot with these.
So that's it for this one. I hope you guys have enjoyed the content, enjoyed this, quick look kind of at the CrashGuard from RhinoShield. Links down below on where you can buy them. If you guys did like this content, feel free to hit that thumbs up. If you didn't, you can hit the thumbs down. It works as well. I can take it. He might cry a little bit, so think about that before you hit it.
Yeah.
But that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. God
Bye.
bless.